Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a truly unique piece of this is the 2026 Toyota Fortuner Mild Hybrid, and at first glance, it looks exactly like what Fortuner buyers expect. Big, bold, and muscular. Toyota hasn't messed with the formula too much, and honestly, that's a good thing. The SUV still has that strong road presence that makes smaller cars move out of the way, but now there are subtle updates that make it feel a bit more modern and premium. Up front, the LED headlights look sharper, the grille feels more aggressive, and the overall stance is wide and confident. The new alloy wheel design adds to the visual bulk, and while the mild hybrid badging is subtle, it's enough to tell you this isn't the regular Fortuner. Park this next to traffic, and it still looks like the boss of the road. Now let's talk about what's actually changed. Under the hood, you still get the trusted 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, but Toyota has paired it with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This doesn't turn the Fortuner into an electric SUV, so don't expect silent driving or EV mode. What it does instead is smooth things out. Acceleration feels cleaner, especially from a standstill, and that slight hesitation you sometimes feel in heavy SUVs is reduced. In city driving, the mild hybrid system really makes sense. Start-stop is smoother, the engine restarts quicker, and the SUV feels less stressed in traffic. Fuel efficiency also improves slightly, which is a nice bonus considering how heavy and powerful the Fortuner is. On the highway, it still feels strong and confident, with plenty of torque for overtakes and long-distance cruising. The 6-speed automatic gearbox feels familiar but well-tuned. Shifts are smooth, and the gearbox works well with the added hybrid assist. Whether you're cruising at steady speeds or pushing for a quick overtake, the Fortuner responds without drama. If you opt for the 4-wheel drive version, you still get that proper SUV capability Fortuner fans expect. Step inside, and this is where you'll notice some of the biggest improvements. The cabin feels more modern now. The touchscreen infotainment system is larger, faster, and finally supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which makes daily use much easier. The interface is clean, and response times are much better than older versions. The digital instrument cluster adds a more premium feel behind the steering wheel. It shows driving data clearly, including hybrid system information, and it makes the Fortuner feel more in line with newer SUVs in this segment. The seating position is still high and commanding, which gives you excellent visibility and that king-of-the-road feeling Fortuner owners love. Comfort levels are solid. The seats are supportive, long drives are easy, and features like ventilated seats and dual-zone climate control make a noticeable difference in hot weather. There's plenty of space for passengers, and the overall build quality feels tough and reliable, exactly what you'd expect from a Fortuner. Safety is another area where Toyota has stepped up. You get advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These aren't just gimmicks, they actually make highway driving less tiring and parking a big SUV much easier, especially with the 360-degree camera system. And of course, it wouldn't be a Fortuner without proper off-road ability. The ladder frame chassis, high ground clearance, and traction systems mean this SUV can still handle rough terrain, broken roads, and off-road trails without hesitation. It feels solid, planted, and confidence-inspiring when the road disappears. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Fortuner Mild Hybrid feels like a smart evolution rather than a radical change. It keeps the toughness, reliability, and road presence that made the Fortuner popular, while adding smoother performance, better technology, and improved efficiency. If you're someone who wants a powerful SUV that works just as well in daily driving as it does on long trips and weekend adventures, this updated Fortuner makes a very strong case. One thing Fortuner buyers will appreciate is that Toyota hasn't tried to overcomplicate this update. The mild hybrid system works quietly in the background, so you don't have to change how you drive or think about charging or battery management. You just get a smoother, more refined driving experience without losing the mechanical toughness that made the Fortuner popular in the first place. Ride quality feels slightly more settled than before, especially over rough city roads and broken patches. The suspension still feels firm, as you'd expect from a body-on-frame SUV, but it absorbs bumps better and feels more controlled at highway speeds. Long-distance cruising is where this Fortuner really shines, staying stable and comfortable even after hours behind the wheel. Practicality also remains a strong point. The boot space is usable for family trips. The cabin has enough storage for everyday items, and visibility all around is excellent for a vehicle of this size. Even in tight city conditions, the Fortuner doesn't feel as intimidating to drive thanks to the improved camera system and safety tech. Overall, the Fortuner Mild Hybrid doesn't try to reinvent itself. Instead, it focuses on polishing the areas that matter most: smoothness, comfort, efficiency, and technology, while keeping the core strengths completely intact. For buyers who want a proven, powerful SUV with just the right amount of modern upgrades, this Fortuner feels like a well-judged and sensible evolution. It's the kind of upgrade that makes sense in real-world use. Nothing feels forced or experimental, and everything works the way you'd expect from Toyota. For Fortuner fans, this mild hybrid version simply feels like the Fortuner, but better tuned for today's roads and driving conditions. What really stands out is how familiar yet improved it feels. You get in, start driving, and everything feels instantly comfortable, but more polished. That balance between old-school toughness and modern refinement is exactly what makes this Fortuner Mild Hybrid such an appealing package. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on this SUV in the comments below.